Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by immediately stopping any active route. Open Waze, tap End or the red X to cancel navigation. Do that now. Once done, tap the search icon, then the settings gear in the corner to access app options. You need to be out of navigation before the app can enter its quiet state, so make sure the map is idle and there's no ETA shown. This short prep step prevents the app from reactivating directions when you try to put it to sleep. Next, go into Settings and open Account or Privacy. This is where Waze controls reporting. Locate the options labeled Private Mode, Go Offline, or Stop Sharing Location. Toggle them on so Waze stops sending location and drive status. Once you switch those toggles, confirm any prompts. Waze may ask to keep settings for this drive. After you confirm, return to the map. You'll notice incidents and friend sharing stop update. Finally, verify sleep is active. There should be no ETA or route banner, and sharing icons are gone. If Waze still behaves as if driving, force close the app and restart your phone, then reopen and recheck the privacy toggles. Make sure location permissions aren't overriding app settings. Set them to while using or turn off entirely if you want no tracking. If problems persist, update Waze from your app store. An outdated version can ignore privacy toggles, so keep it current.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.